Hi everyone, I'm Ellie, founder of Code of the Future, and in today's video I'm going to be continuing with the Matplotlib tutorial series for beginners in Python by showing you how you can change the marker size, marker colour and marker edge colour. So I'm going to put my glasses on as usual and I'll move you onto the screen. Okay, perfect. So we are picking up from where we last left off in the previous video where I was showing you how to change the colour and line reference of graphs. So I'm going to stick with this example here. I could, copy and paste the entire thing, but it's a lot easier to kind of build on what we've learned in the previous videos. So we've got our x and y, which are just NumPy arrays here. We've got the plot is red, so I'll just give this a run just to show you what's actually happening. It's probably a lot easier to visualize it. Here we go. So this is the plot that we have. So we've got the color is red, as you can see. We've got the marker, so these little things here are circles, and we've got the line style is dash, so that's what we see here. So firstly I'm going to show you how to change the marker size. So I'll just put it here, we'll say marker size, and we'll say the way that you do this is quite simply just say marker size and then you give, an integer. So I'll just put here, we'll say I don't know, 2 for example. So that's marker size, and what I'll do is I'll just copy and paste this here and I'll put it below. So we've got marker size. So what you can do is you can add a little extra argument in here. I'm going to take it down to the next line, which you can do because it's all still contained. So I'll say marker size and I'll say 2, and we'll rerun this Python file and see what happens. So marker size is 2. Okay, notice how it's drastically decreased. Now if I was to change this to 10, I'm not too sure what the default setting is on Matplotlib, but I don't think it's 10. I think it might be 5. Let's have a look at 5. So what 5 looks like for the marker size. Yeah, okay. So you could change this to, let's say 30, and I think this will be very, very big. But, it is possible. Look at that. You wouldn't do that, but this is how you change the marker size. Very, very cool. So let's say we want to stick with, I think it was 10 that was quite large, but not too large. Let's say we stick with 10. Okay, cool. So that's the marker size, and I've just put it here, marker size. So let's say we've set that equal to 10. Then we're going to say marker colour. So marker colour. That is quite simply marker colour, and then whatever colour. So let's say we want it to be blue, so we'll put that in here, marker colour equals blue. And I've noticed that I've kind of written different things for notation, so I'll just stick that back to, it doesn't matter whether you do quotation marks or single quotation marks or double quotation marks, but just for the niceness of the notation I'm just going to do both. Just for the night, so I'm going to do the same, so we'll just run that. So marker colour is now, it should be marker face colour. That's very important just to mention. It's very, very easy to get a little bit confused when you have marker size and marker face colour. So yeah, just worth mentioning, it's marker face colour. So we'll amend that. Apologies for that. Hopefully all will be done now. Amazing, look at that. So we've got this dash line, we've got a red outline, which you probably may not have thought. You maybe thought oh, the whole thing would be blue, but it's not. It's outlined on red, and the dash line is red, and we've got the inside of it coloured blue. So you may think, well, what if I just want the whole thing blue? The way that you can do that is we can do the marker edge colour. Very simple to what we did before. So marker edge colour, and we'll set that equal to blue as well. So let's put that in here. So marker edge colour, and we'll say blue. Awesome. So let's rerun this, see what happens. Amazing. Now the whole thing is blue. Look at that. Now that is cool. This is very handy because it means that, say you've got, let's say we'll change this back to black, because black is standard for plotting graphs. It looks very neat as black. So we're going to say the colour, the dash line is black, so there we go. And then it means that these markers here stand out much more with the blue. They probably stand out even more if you did red. So that's how you change the marker edge colour, the marker face colour, and the marker size as well. It just means you can cater your plots to how you want them visually to look, and it's really, really nice. So have a play around with this, have a play around with what markers you want. You could put an asterisk in here for a star, see what this one looks like. I think it'll look pretty cool. Let's look. Yeah, how cool is that? Little stars. I think the stars are definitely very cute. I very much like them. Now it's worth mentioning that you can simplify this notation to MS for marker size colour. So instead of doing it here, I will just put in brackets what it can be simplified to. So simplified to MS, and we'll just copy this for the others. This is simplified to MFC, and this one is simplified to MEC. So you don't have to write all of this out, you could just put MS, MFC, MEC and it would still work. So that has been the video today. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to support this channel even further, then hit the subscribe button and the bell notification with it so you don't miss out on any future videos on my channel. And also check out the donation page that is in the description of this video. If you could give this video a big thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it, and comment any questions you have in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer. If not, there'll be someone out there that will hopefully answer your query. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.